Let's take a look at how to pixelate a video online for free using BlurMe Studio. Upload your video to blur.me. Once it opens in the Studio editor, turn on AI detection. This step is important as AI detection lets BlurMe automatically identify and track faces and objects like license plates across your entire video. Before you begin, adjust the blur effect settings in the side panel. BlurMe uses blur by default, so switch the style from blur to pixelation. This tells BlurMe to apply a mosaic effect instead of a soft blur. With pixelation selected and AI detection enabled, any detected faces will automatically get a pixelated mosaic, and BlurMe will track them as they move. The same applies to license plates. Once detected, they'll be pixelated instantly and stay covered throughout the video. If you want to pixelate the background instead, turn on full screen blur. This covers the entire frame first. Then simply click the object you want to keep in focus, whether it's a person, a license plate, or even a whole vehicle. BlurMe will reveal that subject and keep everything else pixelated. You can adjust the pixel size using the intensity slider to make the mosaic effect more subtle or more extreme. After you're satisfied, preview your video to make sure the tracking looks clean. Then hit export, choose the quality and file format you want, and download your finished video with the pixelation applied. And that's how to pixelate faces, license plates, and backgrounds online using BlurMe Studio. Try it for free today.